In this video, we're going to discuss how to get MS-DOS and qbase45 working on Windows 7 PC. So you're going to have a link to this zip file called qbproject.zip. It's going to be in the bottom details under this video. You're going to click on download when you get to the link. We're going to save as, and we're going to save this into our root directory, our drive C, under qbproject. So that's the default name. We're just going to hit save. Make sure you save this under drive C. It is imperative that this is under drive C. It'll probably start out at your downloads drive or whatever part of your hard drive wants to save at. It's imperative that it goes into your C directory. Just drive C : /. So we're going to save that. Then we're going to hit our start menu, go to computer, go to our drive C, qbproject. We're going to extract that. We're going to right click on that, left click on extract all. We will extract it just to the C drive. That's it, just to the C drive. We want the folder QB and DOSBox installer. That's all we want on our to extract. So that's it. So we're done. We're going to install the DOSBox installer. So just run that. It is not a virus. There's no issues with it. We're going to just keep following the prompts. Install that. Hit close. Now this QB folder is very important. It's in the right spot. This will make things easier when we go to the DOSBox. So DOSBox, here it is on our desktop. It's also on our start menu. If we look for DOSBox, load it either way. I'm going to load it from the desktop shortcut. Double click on it. Now, this command is imperative. You need to type in MOUNT C space C : /QB. So look at that. MOUNT space C space C : /QB. Now you need to type in C : enter. Now you're in the directory QB. While you're in that directory, you type in qb.exe, and that launches qbase45. So now what we need to do is load the actual program inside Qbase and run it. So what you can do is you can go back to your computer, back to your C drive, into the QB folder, and inside that QB folder we have 4 programs that we can run. The program I think that is most vital is kappa.pro. You've got gain score, intra-CLS, and kappa2. This is the file that I've been instructed to show you how to open. So you're going to, with your mouse, click on File inside the DOS box, and when you click inside the DOS box, your mouse will actually enter the DOS box. So you can click on File and then Open Program, and now under File Name, this is where you'll type in kappa.pro. Once you type that in, you can go down and click on OK, and then you can go up to Run and then Start. Now you are running the Kappa Pro program in qbase45. So while you're running this program, if you run into at any time, I'm going to show you what you should basically be going through and getting prompts the whole time. If for instance, you get something like this, I'm going to show you what a bad prompt is. So illegal function call. You've typed something in wrong. If you get illegal function call or any type of error where it takes you back to the actual program text, you have typed something in wrong. Simply click on OK, go back to Run, Start, and start over. Now when everything goes correctly and your calculations are shown to you on the screen, it's going to ask you if you want to print yes or no. You cannot print from this screen. The only way you can print from this DOS screen is if you do an actual print screen, the button on your keyboard, paste that into MS Paint, and then print. I've been instructed to tell you just to write down your answers. Again, write down your answers. Basically copy them from this little DOS prompt and write them down. Now one last thing I'll let you be aware of. Once you have clicked on the MS-DOS prompt and your mouse gets trapped inside this little MS-DOS emulator, to get your mouse unstuck to where you can go back to your Windows 7 environment, hit the Windows key located on your keyboard. It's got the little Windows logo on it. It's typically in the bottom left or in the middle near the arrow keys, and it's typically by the Control-Alt key. Looks like a little Windows symbol, the Windows logo. Just hit that. It'll bring up your start menu, and then your mouse gets unlocked outside of the DOS prompt. So that's basically how you run that program in a nutshell. If you need to run another program you simply go to File, Open Program, type in the name. So if it's GainsScore, GAINSCOR.PRO, you're running GainsScore Pro, and then you just click on Run, Start. Anything you need to run inside this DOS environment, you can simply and easily do it. So if you have any questions, I'm sure your professor can guide you toward the proper resource, and we thank you and wish you the best of luck.